Game.
Okay, let's start again.
Yes, we're starting again.
So
our fourth case, right?
Yep. We're opening them 3 at a time.
Yeah, fourth case. Wow. Come on, Logo Man.
Actually, Jordan Woods would be also good.
Logo Man of Jordan and LeBron is still in the market. Not yet in the market.
Is there a logo man of LeBron and Tiger Woods? No.
That one.
No.
What's this?
Kevin Love, my
Kevin
golly,
Love.
wow.
Noble nameplates.
Where is the love?
Ano yung sa ilalim?
Where is the love? Oy, Kobe.
25 of 25.
Nice.
Hindi pa lang yung 24.
Oh, Tabit again.
Naku!
Kyle Weaver.
Weaver.
My
Oh
God.
my God!
What are you doing there? Come on. Dual Logo Man. Please give us a live Dual Logo Man, please.
Derrick Rose,
A live Dual Logo Man.
Johnny Flynn.
Oh, number pieces. Oh,
David
Robinson
Robinson.
with the inscription.
Yes, from the Bible.
Yes. Oh,
Pat.
punch. Oh!
Ray
Oh, shit! All-star punch! Oh my God!
Maganda.
Wow! From the Denver All-Star game.
You know why? You know why? All-Star.
Yeah!
Wow!
All-Star.
Wow!
Wow!
Sobrang ganda, gago.
Wow!
Okay.
Wow!
Oh, enough po. One more, wow.
Super wow
Okay.
again.
This
My
ball.
God,
Look at the patch, oh.
what kind of a patch is that? Sana makuha ng mga Lebron na ganyan. Lebron or Jordan. Or
All-star,
Kobe.
ano?
Woo!
Jordan, all-star.
Yung unang sabi ko, bakit Boston?
Sick.
Tapos,
Sick!
akala ko
Ano
misprint.
number?
13
13 or 15.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
For the last
Golden.
box of this
Oh, you have a lot of
they're
Johnny
they're
Flynn.
really the few the last
Derrick Rose.
few cases they're putting the good cards You want us to buy more You upper deck, you're naughty You're naughty
Patlong shock na
but,
yan.
but we ordered already everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come
Shaquille.
on.
Stephen Curry.
Stephen Curry. Oh, Danny Granger jersey.
Yes,
Yes.
just an ordinary.
Jersey. And then the base of
Kobe
Kobe.
Gold.
Ako
So
ulit.
your next
Okay.
Mr. Gay.
That's his
Mr.
batch.
Gay.
Next.
Rudy Gay's batch.
Mr. Gay is back. Wow, the patch.
But he's
Awesome.
not drinking,
Yeah,
He did
that's
not
why.
drink today.
The
That's
sober
why he's
Mr.
quiet.
Gay.
He's sober.
Hey, I got nice cards me not drinking
We'll see.
You see,
No,
you
yung
see,
first
you
batch
see,
ko,
you
okay,
see. Oh.
Yeah.
Come on, we need the dual logo man. Please.
We don't expect because the last time we did not expect,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
We want base cards. Reverse psychology.
George Gervin.
George Irvin,
What?
number 240.
Exit auto patch.
Number 244.
Number 240.
Number piece.
Akala ko
Scottie Pippen.
Scottie Pippen.
Scottie Pippen, ha?
Terrence Williams. And
not-
who is your wow?
Oh.
Who's that?
All the rookies
East
of
All-Stars.
East All Stars?
East All-Stars.
Wow, nice East All Stars. Nice man.
Oh, that's just your first pack, huh?
Sa first pack. Gusto ko Jordan.
Yeah, come on Jordan. Autograph, at least an autograph Jordan. Oh,
Stephen Curry.
again.
Jerry West? No.
Oh, Joakim Noah, who looks like
Joakim?
Jerry West to Mr. Gay here.
Oh,
Ashim David.
sure, Saki.
You suck it. You want to suck it?
You have to redeem yourself with the
Yeah,
last.
you have to redeem yourself with that pack.
Or else it's
Or
Mr.
else you're Saki.
It's Mr.
Oh, it looks like he will redeem himself.
Oh!
There's a rookie retro.
Really?
I saw the side.
Okay. Okay,
Slowly,
it should be
slowly.
if you're the winner all the way already.
Oh,
Make it a Jordan,
I
so
can
that-
I can feel the Jordan
Oh.
coming.
Oh my God.
No, it's not
that's
anyway.
not
Okay,
really.
still not bad.
Still
Not bad, of
Still
course.
good price.
Nice.
Not bad.
Yee.
Yee. We're gonna yee.
Oh, why do they have a base card of
Sit down.
Corey Maggette?
Okay, it's my
Hey, I
turn.
still did good, ha?
Yeah.
Well, the saving grace is your John Elway.
John Elway. Oh, this looks like a rookie retro batch, ah.
I hope so. Maybe we get a 23 of 23.
Yes.
Jordan, please.
Why not?
Base card of Shaquille. And then a James Harden autograph rookie.
Then you get
Oh, we have a redemption.
Go, come on, come on.
Auto.
John
Ano,
Stockton,
John Stockton.
signature
John
patch,
Stockton.
number 250.
Mark Price.
Mark Price, signature patch also. Oh, a Jordan! Regular jersey extra, not bad. Oh, Idol Blake Griffin. Next year he will play. And Dwight Howard base
For the
card.
season.
Keep that, we will sell that next year.
Next year, I keep that.
Hopefully you'll
For the
play
season na
next
ba yan?
year.
For the season?
Oo.
For the season, he'll play na ano.
Hopefully
next
you'll play
year.
next year.
Hopefully what? He will
Following the
play
steps of
definitely.
But
Greg Oden.
every time that Clippers pick, they're bad. They're bad play. They become
Oh,
injured.
It brings
base
back
exquisite
memories of
rookie
Olowa
autograph
Candy.
of Gerard Henderson. Oh, a
Karim.
Jabbar
Ginawa na.
signature patch. Oh, this is
Patch.
a patch,
How you
extra
know?
patch.
How you know?
I know. Pop.
3 of ano?
3 of 9. Butchachik, ha?
Butchachik.
Very short printed, ha? And then,
Patrick Mills.
Patrick Mills, then a lumang card of Reggie Miller.
Baka ayaw niya
Oh
pagupit
my
yung jersey
God.
niya.
Oh, what a sucky batch
Oh,
that we
yeah.
have there.
They're not
Oh.
doing well, huh?
Of course, you have to redeem yourself again here with this last pack.
At least ako may LOA.
Like maybe
Jordan!
a logo man of...
Or Jordan Woods. Yeah.
But because if you get a 1-of-1, you will dance naked. Because
Yeah.
that's what everybody wants.
Yeah. I will dance naked.
Oh no.
Come on.
Save us from.
Oh, come on, DJ Mullens. No, please.
May naka-ready ka bang 3?
Give us a saving grace.
Oh, rookie patch.
Rookie. Exquisite rookie patch. Alright.
John Elway.
No, please.
So it will be Jordan.
Okay. Make it bald. Make it bald.
It's
Make
color
it
green.
bald.
It's
No.
guard na yan.
Oh, there's
Ah,
a hair.
Oh, it's
Magic Johnson.
Magic Joe.
Oh,
Wow.
patch.
Oh, but it's the jersey number of
Jordan.
Jordan. 3-color patch. Very nice. 500 din yan. Oh, redemption, ha? Redemption.
Kaya tayo redemption sa dulo.
Redemption sa dulo.
Hindi redemption as an old card.
No, I mean, we redeemed ourselves. Come on! Come on, Bri! Okay.
Should we do one more case?
Okay. Yeah, let's do one more case because
Yan, Jay.
okay.
7.5 minutes eh. So we will have more time for the good
What? Teka
cards.
muna, nakakatatlo tayong rookie patch. Baka ito yung batch na to, ah.
Rookie patch na yan.
Yes, it's a retro.
Let's see. Oh my God, BJ Mul.
DJ! Come on! We had enough of DJ.
Mark Price again.
Price again. Uy, who's
Is
that?
it like
Vince Carter.
Vince Carter.
Patrick Mills again.
Uy!
Chris Bosh.
why
Uy,
is
ba? Parang
Autograph
1-of-1?
yata eh.
No, the
Ah.
No,
just the
I-
patch.
it fooled us, huh?
Oh yeah, almost.
No, you fooled us. I bet it's a Kyle Weaver. No, it's not.
Carmelo.
Oh, got nervous there for a while.
Pardon my cough, I am not 100% well.
Hindi, akala ko talaga 1-of-1 yung Bosch. Ganun yung itsura, di ba?
Yung Jordan.
I'm still a
Mas
little bit
makintab yung Jordan.
under the weather. Shaquille O'Neal. James Johnson.
Karim again.
Pangatlo!
Signature patch
Oh,
again.
oh,
of
why
course.
is it-
Pangatlo!
That's a different
That's a
looking
different-
patch.
From the jersey of Indiana Pacers. Uy, patch. Uy, kanina yan.
Stel Fair.
Ganda ng
Akala ko,
patch.
Roy
Yun,
na.
Seven.
Akala ko Brandon Roy nga eh. Di ba 7 si Roy?
Kaya
Gold.
oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Jordan,
Hill.
Jordan Hill.
And a
Conley.
Mike
Hey,
Conley.
habulin mo yung last pack. Habulin mo ba?
1 minute.
Habulin mo na yung last pack.
Last pack for the
And we will
7th
start.
case.
I also have to redeem
We will
myself.
start with Mr. The old
Hindi,
person.
Uy, teka. Hindi naka-plastic.
Oh, man.
James Johnson.
Darrell Griffith.
Darrell Griffith. Who's this? Eric Gordon. Oh my God.
Lahat nun na.
Stephen Jackson and Jordan regular
Oh,
card.
that
I
was
Ito
a
saw-
pare,
sucky
walang
case.
paano.
Okay.
Oh, what's wrong with that?
There's no protection. The condom is out. This must be a pregnant pack.
We'll see.
Okay, we'll
see later,
Cut,
later,
cut,
ha?
cut.
Cut, cut.
Then pasok mo